Horses out. We have safety's goal. Pass to begin. Mamika. Danari inside the surgeon. Moving up on the outside now is Pencil away. Then followed by Sir Bryant. Hatch out. Danari inside is Marias and Lucky Lorky is the early trailer. Mamika, the leader by about 3 Balenga. And on the outside, second is safety's goal. Pencil away. Sir Bryant, the surgeon. Danari inside. Then comes Marias, second last is Hutchout and Lucky Lorky. They swing into the back. And it's still Mamika, Violenka. The safety's goal still in second. Then on the outside, moving up Pencil away is Marias. Now moving to take port. Hutchout also moving up. Then followed by Sir Bryant, the surgeon and Lucky Lorky. And it's still Mamika by about 3 Balenga. And on the outside is Pencil away, moving up now to take third. Hutchout, racing in port, safety's goal is Marias. Mamika is still in front by Balenga and Hapa. Pencil away is on the outside. Hutchout moving up on the outside as they come down at the last 200. And it's still Mamika moving up. Hutchout on the outside. Pencil away. Hutchout moving up on the outside. Mamika is down on the inside, but it's still Hutchout by about 2 lengths over Mamika. And finally, Hutchout. Second is Mamika. Lucky Lorky. Pencil away is Marias for your Pentapecta.
Naka-score din ng